An easy pasta recipe like you've never seen before. To start, cut 7 ounces of broccoli in half. Then remove the leaves from the stems and chop them into small pieces. This size is perfect. In a pot, add the broccoli, cover with water, and let it cook for 5 minutes. In another pot with hot water, add 6 ounces of pasta and let it cook for 5 minutes. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter and using a spatula, stir until it melts. Next, add 3 cloves of garlic and fry them until golden brown. Take some of the broccoli's cooking water and set it aside. After that, remove all the broccoli from the pot and transfer it to the skillet. Mix it very well. Pour in 7 ounces of heavy cream, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese and mix. Look at how beautiful the cream is turning out. Season with salt to taste and black pepper to taste, then mix again. Drain the pasta and add it to the skillet, mixing everything thoroughly. Now pour in that reserved glass of broccoli cooking water and mix again. Finally, add Parmesan cheese to taste. Our broccoli pasta in white sauce is ready. A recipe with sensational results. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video.